Welcome back. This is Mrs. Rubright. Today we are going over our Are You Ready for Chapter 10, the prerequisite skills that you should have learned in Algebra 1 Honors and in former geometry lessons. So, number 1. Two similar triangles have congruent corresponding angles and blank corresponding sides. So, anytime that we have similar triangles, congruent triangles have same angles, congruent angles, and congruent sides, where similar triangles have proportional sides and congruent angles. Okay, so proportional. Number 2. Two angles whose sides form two pairs of opposite rays are called two angles whose sides form two pairs of opposite rays. So we have two angles, and their sides form two pairs of opposite rays, okay? So this is opposite rays. These are rays that are opposite. They form a straight line. Rays that are opposite and form a straight line. So we're talking about these angles right in here. Those are vertical angles. Number 3. The blank of an angle is all of the points between the sides of the angle. All of the points between the sides of the angle is the interior of the angle. Number 4. Find the length of the hypotenuse of a right triangle with the given leg lengths. So if we have 3 and a 4, our next leg is what? So we might know that this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, but if we didn't realize that, we have 3 squared plus 4 squared equals what squared? 9 plus 16 equals what squared? 25 equals what squared? Square root, 5 equals our hypotenuse. Number 5. 5, 12, what? This is also a Pythagorean triple. It's a 5, 12, 13. If we didn't know that it was 13, it's okay. 5 squared plus 12 squared equals what squared? 25 plus 144 equals what squared? 169 equals what squared? Square root. 13 equals x. Number 6. 9, 12, 9 squared plus 12 squared equals what squared? 81 plus 144 equals what squared? 125 equals what squared? Square root, x equals 15. Did I put 125? That's 225, sorry. 225. I thought it, but I didn't write it. Okay, number 7. Find the value of the variable. So these are vertical angles. They are crossed from each other when two lines intersect. They are congruent. Set them equal and solve. And our x is 8. Number 8. These two angles are adjacent. They are next to each other. They share a common leg and endpoint, but no points in their interiors. They're also a linear pair, right? This was written as a degree, and so is this. So we know that they're talking about the angles. They form a straight line, so they add to 180. Add them, set them equal to 180, and solve. 8x's plus 2x's is 10x's. Negative 2 plus 2 cancel each other out. Divide by 10 on both sides. X equals 18. And our last one, number 9. We have 5x plus 40 degrees and 7x degrees. Once again, these are vertical angles. They are across from each other when two lines intersect. They are congruent, so 7x equals 5x plus 40. Subtract 5x from both sides. 2x equals 40. Divide by 2 on both sides. X equals 20. Alright, I hope this is a good refresh of prior learned skills so that you guys can be successful in this chapter, because you have to remember that your linear pairs are supplementary. They add to 180 degrees. They form a straight line. Vertical angles are congruent. And you also have to remember Pythagorean theorem. Your leg squared plus your leg squared equals your hypotenuse squared. And other than that, that's pretty much the majority of the prerequisite skills that are necessary to be successful in Chapter 10. I hope you liked this quick review on prerequisites for Chapter 10, page 638, numbers 1 through 9. Please like and subscribe and have a fantastic day.